Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are talking about curbside deals over at Walgreens. So you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is known as a curbside pickup. Now with this week's curbside pickup, we have this Flash 20, which is a coupon code for 20% off of a purchase of $25 or more. It is a bit more advantageous to use a coupon code like this online than in store, because in store, these specific, they come out of the Catalina machine, they tend to only work on non-sales items, but that digital code seems to work on everything for a curbside pickup. So hopefully you're following what I'm saying. These are nice, but they don't, unless you're buying something full price in store, they're very hard to use. So I prefer the other one. Now, if you are a shopper that's old school and you're about register rewards and rolling them and just deals about register rewards in store. I made a video yesterday where I rolled a bunch of register rewards from the previous week to this week, and this is the video. Unfortunately, there is no booster like a 10 back when you spend 40 or a 5 back when you spend 25, and that's across the board. I would see at least one influencer show one if they had one, but nobody seems to be getting one this week. So that's a mystery to me. But let's talk about some quick and easy deals this week, doing them curbside at Walgreens. Well, the first deal is no big surprise to anyone. It involves paper because I have, an affinity for paper. They are a buy one, get one 50% off select Walgreens brand. And these are pretty sizable rolls. So 5 of them is $27.50. Alternatively, if you wish to get some toilet paper, you can grab some of these ones, which are supposed to be comparable to Angel Soft, and they're 9 rolls, which is quite a few. So using that code FLASH20, we're saving $5.50. So that is the magic right there. Looking at the basket, it's $27.50. Subtracting $5.50. Curbside pickup is free. Bit of tax. So your balance here is $23.82. If you might have $20 in Walgreens cash, use it, pay $3.82, and call that a very smart use of that $20 of Walgreens cash. You're getting 7 paper products. This is just something you can stock up your stockpile, especially if you're a newer shopper or you're just preparing. You live in Florida, hurricane season soon, tornado season, wherever you're living. If you need to stock up on paper, this is really fantastic. So a good and smart deal. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at, we are going to be grabbing some clearance CoverGirl. So when you're in the search bar of the app, type in CoverGirl clearance. It's buy one, get one 50% off. And so you're looking for either the foundation or something like a mascara, an eyeliner, this quad perhaps. I had a very difficult time lining this up, guys, so I can't even show you what I grabbed. I do know that we have this digital coupon that you possibly can use if you want to grab a larger amount. Now, when you get to the store, you're going to have to ask the cashier to process your order through a regular register, not a handheld one of those zebras, because you need a physical receipt. So put it through a register. IBOTTA is giving back $3 with a limit of up to 3. So that is $18. I mean, you could do this one in store too if you want, if it's easier. And it's just free makeup basically. And you need a physical receipt, but I would try and do this deal. Here's why. Look at these prices of the CoverGirl. $21.99 for that ageless foundation and $14.49 for one mascara. So I guess CoverGirl is really jumping the prices of all of their cosmetics. So the older line or the older packaging, they're trying to get it out of the store. So this is just outrageous. So if you can pair it up with IBOTTA, the buy one, get one 50% off, and always double, triple check if you're doing this in store for price checks that you're grabbing the right stuff. So you're not getting something that's like $21. Make sure that everything is working with IBOTTA and it's clearancing out at, 75 or 90% off. But I would definitely stock up because these prices are a joke. I would go without makeup than paying these prices. It's like paying for makeup at Sephora or a very expensive store. Okay, Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 3, and we are going to be grabbing 5 of these Caesar dog foods for $8.75. Now, I want you to check your Shopkick account. I think there might be $2 back on that that possibly you could do at Walgreens, so double, triple check that. And we have this $4 digital coupon, so make sure you have it loaded, and dogs love this. And then we're also going to grab a clearance foundation and then one of the $5 crests for $5. For the crest, we have a $2 digital that you can load to save a little bit more money. And I didn't even try to throw in that digital coupon because I had a hard time loading it for the CoverGirl. So forgive me. Try loading that 3. You might get it reduced down. So the total for this is $16.04, 6 coming off. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash. And then I know that there's a $5 rebate for that crest. And there's also possibly $2 on Shopkick for the Caesar. And then there's another $3 for the CoverGirl with IBOTTA as well. Not factoring in that 96 cents of tax, guys, with those 2 rebate apps, it basically makes your transaction completely for free. So this is a very smart deal. And again, if you're going to do this curbside, you need a receipt. So you got to ask the cashier to process this through a regular cash register. The next deal that we're looking at is deal number 4. We are going to grab 2 of the VitaFusion gummies, one at $15.99 and the second one at $13.99 at $6.99. We have a 10 off of 2 digital coupon. You can grab other supplements as well. I was just throwing in some supplements into that basket. Then we're also going to grab one of these Neutrogena. It's some sort of foaming cleanser for $3.79, 50% off. And then we have this very generous $3 digital coupon. You might have to root around in your coupons folder to find this coupon. That's what I had to do, like go into like beauty and then find it there, or healthcare or whatever, one of those. Just to show you that Flash 20 is taking $2.76 off, and then our $13 also coming off. How gorgeous is that? The overall basket is $26.77, and so it's $11.23. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.23 for 2 big jars of supplements, I think this is a very smart deal. I know a lot of you were asking for like vitamin deals, so these are sizable VitaFusion bottles, so a very smart deal. Okay, so the last deal that we're going to look at involves some Crest white strips. So this guy is $39.99. It's on a promotion of spend 20, get back 5, if your account will allow it. We have a $15 digital coupon, so if you love white strips, this possibly can be a deal for you. Now just showing you, Flash 20 is taking another $5 off, along with that $15 digital coupon. That's $20 off. So $39.99, subtracting the 20, but adding in the tax, you would pay the $22.09 and then get back $5 in Walgreens cash. For the spend 20, get back 5, because the word spend is in there, you got to pay with your debit card or credit card for the balance. Do not use any Walgreens cash, but a deal if you just wanted those Crest white strips. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.